You mentioned viruses, so let's go down that pathway, if you will. So let's talk about the COVID virus and its effect on thyroid and its interplay.
COVID is just like 5 or 6 years old. So we are still looking at the pathophysiology. But what we realize that people who have had COVID disease, they have higher chances of having Hashimoto's disease too. Now that's what you're realizing. Again, the COVID virus what it does is basically turns our own body's immune system against our own body. And now what we have is genetic weak points. So when this body's immunity is turned against our own body, and depending on our genetic makeup, that immunity is going to destroy that particular part of the body. And for a lot of people, that weak genetic point is their thyroid gland. So all that COVID virus, which is, riling up our body's immunity, kind of turns against our own body, and that starts the damaging of the thyroid gland, leads to Hashimoto's and then hypothyroidism.
I think we just covered something that's the white cloud, in that you just mentioned about viruses stimulating other dormant viruses, many of which are in the central nervous system. That goes under, Harvard put that out, that's polyreactivity. So you're skating on polyreactivity. You're talking about antibodies that are attacking other antibodies, and they're called autoantibodies. And also in that paper that you're referring to, you're talking about idiopathic antibodies, where the antibody actually mimics the antigen. So you're saying
Absolutely.
that the thyroid has a direct interplay with the immune system.
It does, yes. So that is again one of the functions of the thyroid gland, is that it does help to mature our immune system and keep it in a well-balanced state.